Hello everyone! Welcome to Sir Cyrus channel. So kapag kayo ay first timer na let taker or repeater na hindi gustong mo give up or someone na gustong magkaroon ng LPT pagkatapos ng kanilang pangalan, you are in the right place. And in this channel, we will simplify the let, break down difficult topics, and answer sample questions. And most importantly, to build your confidence as a future teacher. So let me be honest with you. So ang let ay hindi lang tungkol sa ating kaalaman or intelligence, but it's about proper na preparation, right strategy, and a strong mindset. So, merong mga examinees na hindi nakapasa. Hindi dahil hindi sila marunong, but because they don't know what to focus on. That's why in this channel, we will focus on high-yield topics and also we will answer actual stylet questions with rationalization, and also we will explain concepts in a simple, teacher-style approach. So, walang pressure, walang intimidation. Step by step, we will learn together. That's why let's start with a quick overview. So merong tatlong major parts ang let. So ang Gen Ed, ProfEd, at so sa major, we will focus on social studies. So because that is my major. So important reminder na hindi dapat pre-pressure. So dahil gusto nating magka-perfect score or magiging top-notcher sa board exam. But we need a balanced preparation in all areas. Before we end, let me remind you that consistency beats cramming and understanding beats memorization. Discipline beats motivation. So merong mga pagkakataon na tayo ay feel tired. So meron rin pagkakataon na meron tayong pagdududa sa ating sarili. But remember, your dream to teach is bigger than your fear of failing. So kapag gusto nyo pang makasama ako sa inyong let journey, so don't forget to like this video, follow, and subscribe for more let discussions. Remember, study faithfully, pray sincerely, and never give up. See you in our next let review discussion. God bless.